Alright, as you can see here, this is a C port, type C port. Alright, so here I have a micro port added where the type C port is came from. Yes, so I have to do some wiring for it to work, So this is the original and this is not the original, but I make it work. Alright, so all I do, I just search for the live and search for the grounds, Yeah, man, and wire them as you can see. Yeah, man. So that's how I get it done, for it to work. Because I don't have the original C port to drop in, Yeah, man. Alright, so as you can see, that's how it's looking, Once I have it installed, that's how it's looking now. So take a look on the screen now and see that it's charging, Now it's charging perfectly.